Rese, huy dumluboy. Basig bawal lang mga saging-saging no. Nawag yun siya pinalive. Basta meresiha, uy. Nga naman to. Wait lang, ako sa iyon akong harang. Pero tinan ako niyaw-yaw dirian. Wa pa, meresi kayo. Ano kaya to? Kalas-kalas sa tamsak. Kalas-kalas sa tamsak. Ay, ay, binuang diya dong, oy. Pag tamsak na lang ko din na, ay, nasig bagol-bulbi. Kuan din ha? Mana lang nakatabang na mong tamsak. Ay, mabuang ko bayot. Unsay nawala? Nawala magud akong live og pinalive. Langgang chararat. Agoy, nandito nang forever mo, dong. Dong boy, nandito na si Langgang chararat. Nawala sa pinakalit, oy, numbot bitaw. Tingala ra kung niugbok ra siya. Kapila ta mo tamsak ani sa usa ka adlaw. Haw ka isa ra gud ikaduha na ron kinag TikTok man ko. Ano sig ipagkait ng imong mga tapatamsak unsay forever. Forever friend ba ikaw talaga dong? Ikaw ba pati dirty minded ikaw ba kanunay? Kasi pag dirty minded kay makakuan na. Miss you lalabs dudong. Pag miss you daw oh. Nagsinaw naman kung naway baha mo diha ay. Hi! Philippine flag and Korean flag, shout out to you. I lost my live. Don't I mean don't put the banana on my comment section. I think that's the reason my LS earlier is lost. I think so. Don't put the banana on my comment section. Hoy, basig mautong ang kuan ba ang rason? Wala siya pinalive. No? What do you think? English pa more. Aw, lost. Ay, chika, sila si Inday Chararat din na, oh. Then pa sa banaon, wag yun mo harang diya ba? Ilhan kaayo. Magbinta ng saging. Oh, bahalang magtagalog ka. Plus, okay, it's that words is okay. But don't ayan, mag-anaw to anapod. Don't do that. Just na yung Marimar Mercedes. Hala, ay, ginoo ko, kalabad. Uy, baka mawala na naman ito ulit mga palangga. Meresi talaga ako. Ayan. My best friend Kwangi, stop sending me your banana. I mean, the banana picture. Gawas ko na ay premiere. Kisa na ay premiere. Gibagsak unta ni Madri adong kisa dong. Kisa ay premiere. Wait lang ha. Bisan man gud ay ko eh. You make me stronger, baby, dance. Eh, magbinta daw ng saging, guys. Magbinta ng saging. Kisa may premiere, oy. Si Maricar TV di ay. Kanong saan? Saan naman orasan? Nandyan pa si Maricar. Ay, hala, Diyos mo yung Marimar. You make me stronger, baby. Laina ni mo dong, oy, istoy na di ay ko karon. Mao din ning gawas ni kriminal, oh. Ay, nako. Sus, istoryahe chararat. Lost, why forever. Hala. Adjust lang, ha. Salamat sa inyo sa 4 million in the house, guys. Maraming salamat. Wala bigla yung ano ko. You make me stronger, baby. Ayan, maraming salamat sa nakatambay dyan, guys, ha. Kinsa ka ni Maricar. Kisa man nag-premiere ay. Dung luboy kisa nag-premiere dong. You make me stronger. Ito palengke dong.
Pag-ichikan niya.
Dong. Ito palengke dong. Bumit sudan dong.
15 over 25.
Ayan, ambasador. Salamat kaya ambasador ha.
15 over 20.
Wala na si Sis Maricar.
Wala ichikan. May buko.
Ayan, 4 million in the house nga nakatambay. I think best friend Kwang Hei, Ambassador, who else? Hindi Chararat, napakadiya langga. Dito nga. Nawa naman imong idol. Atik-atik, mandaig na premiere. Kisa man nag-premiere dahil langga. Kisa man nag-premiere. Pwede iba. Kaya nga bagitabangan na to. You make me stronger, baby, than saying goodbye. Yan, salamat sa nakatambay diya ha. Palpakas akong live ganina eh. Tamsak Dan host. Hi! Thank you so much sa patamsak mo, my best friend Kwang Hei. Uy, don't write the banana ba? Ay, naku, saan ko napapasabot siya, eh? Did you eat your lunch, my best friend Kwang Hei? Did you eat your lunch? You make me stronger than breaking my heart. No. Why? What happened? Why Delilah? Ayan si Eka nagbaba ng bahay. You make me stronger, baby. Thank you sa 5 million in the house, but nawala agad. Maresa. Hey Sheila, how are you sis? Well, hello to you my friend Dwayne. Shout out. Thank you so much. I'm doing well. Siri, tamsak dan. Mega love shoutout to you, Siri. Agoy, salamat kay Jan Siri ha sa patamsak mo. Nag-take two na ako kasi nawala yung ano ko, yung LS ko kanina. Nawala siya bigla. Ayan, my friend is Dwayne. Mega love shoutout. How are you? By the way, how's your night? How's your night? Yeah. I think it's night there. Do bamalit og kuan dito na dong be. Suday ka ng sudan dito sa palengke. Oho, harang dugsak. Agoy.
Kaon pa mo, kaon pa mo ta.
Dan sa premiere Marik. Hala. Si dan sa premiere ni Maricar. Nagsugod na dong. Oh, 36. Kurata na ko dong. Uy, abi ko, wa na po ko katambong. 36 minutes pumandi ay. Tatangaag na ko, gyud. Ayan, gaming with Eric Beyonce. Iyang premiere, humanag tamdak. Ko. Salamat kay diha dong ha. Si, naa pa si Madam Juan diri aw. Kit. Ayan, si The Stones Life, ako ni kit-kit tapos siyang usab. Kit-kit tapos siyang usab. Ayan, si Gaming with Eric Boise. Tama ba yung pagbabasa ko? Ayan, 9 million in the house. Maraming salamat sa mga patambay nyo dyan, mga palangga, ha? Wait lang. Sar, ikaw na lang pamalit, Sar. Gusto ka, Sar? Mahurot na jud ni darling. Sige ho nako. Kit-kit. Hoy, Madam, The Stone Slip. Maraming salamat diha, ha? Nawa, magod akong live. Ganina pinalive. Uy, nawa, gyud siya. Nawa, gyud siya na maalam. Tuyok man lang. Maybe kanang naay something wrong to ang nagkuan ba kanang sa comment siguro nga bawal or bawal siguro ng saging-saging nga kuan. Tusok, hoy. Tempa. Wait lang, nandoon ako sa kabilang ibayo. Hey, this is Dwayne. Hey, what are you doing? Why did you delete your message? Gaming. What happened? Is there something wrong? Grabe akong English to. Honda City, ang malakas na Lazada. Naunsa ni? Mauna na. Dira na kita mga luya. Gaming with Eric. Wait lang ha. Ayan. I will give you one banana. Gaming, I think. Di mo pa ito kadikit. Wait. Ayan, 8 million in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Ay, kadikit na pala. 709. Gaming Eric, where are you from? Leave Black Ops. Anyone can join. Goal 700. Live America Shop. Simulator join. Maraming salamat sa thank you so much sa pagstay, guys, ha. 8 million in the Ading, ayaw ading. You make me stronger, baby, been saying. Hello sa tanan. Hoy, nanang mana kagharang? Hello dira oy, madam, milin. Daghan kaing salamat sa pag-ani sa akong live. Live from Pinas. Kumusta man ang atong pamilya, ha? Hoy, TikTok na ko ni madam. Kaya nawala akong live kanina. Napandol ko sa harang. Karon pa na da. Salamat yung pagkapandol diha. Mapangpalit ko na naginamos. Mangayo ko og tubig. Uhaw man. O dali, dali. Tubig. Ayaw. Iligoon. Patakad na yung tubig. Salamat kaya madam ha. Salamat kasi mong patambay-tambay diha. Biski na ang mga tao ganina na nag-tiktok ko, mirese, ng layas, ng uban. Wa na hikabalik. Kalit ko wala akong live. Wala mo lang ng tuyok-tuyok. Masig bawal ang banana nga kuan, no? Banana nga. Unsa ni?
Banana crunch.
Ihatag daw niya ikaw. Ihatag daw niya. Ikaw raman sad nag-inom, ana. Alam, pati yung layo, oy. Ayan si Gaming with Eric, guys. Nagbaba ng bahay. Ayan, thumbs up. Ayan, gipi-gipi. Shout, maraming salamat ulit sa patamsak mo, ha. Nawala yung live ko kanina, oy. Iwan ko lang, ba't nawala? Parang pag-ibig yan, nawawala. Charot. Ayan si James gipi-gipi. Nagbaba ulit ng bahay. Asa man di ay kakarong gwapa. Naaraw ko dire sa amo ang puan. Davao del Sur.
Yes, ho.
Tuyok lagi. Nagtituyok ba? Wa manggot? I shown you love. Ayan, Gaming, where are you from? Ayan, Siri. Ayan, nakakonect na daw si ano.
Ayaw
Si-
ni Aba. Katulang dubli ha.
Si ano sa'yo, si ano, Gaming. Agoy, Ginoo, kalayuan di ay ana. Oo, layo uy, bukid na mo adriya. I'm from the USA. Okay. So, I will speak you English, but you know, I hope you understand. I'm not really good in speaking English, but I'm trying to connect. I mean, I'm trying to, you know. You know what I mean? Imo unta i-resume ang live niyo ganiya. Dili siya ma-resume kay nawala jud siya. Pwede man siya ug kana mag-loading no. Pwede man siya i-resume. Pero kato kay as in nga nawala jud kanang na-off jud wala gud siya na-off kanang wala na siya sa akong screen. Di na nako siya ma-resume. Haha, dugo ako English. O i-connect na si kuan James gipi-gipi kay kuan pa lang ihang balay 709 yung last kong check. Ayan, Dan Dikit Gaming with Eric. Ayan, Siri, naunahan ka na niya. Hello po. Miss Fortune, shout out to you. Take 2 na ko, be. Sorry. Wala yung live ko kanina. Ay, gibiyaan kasama sa gugma. Oo. You know? Pabyo lang sapat na. From Miss Fortune. Ayan, magdikitan kayo dyan, guys. At maraming salamat din, guys, ha, sa pumunta ulit sa aking live stream. Ayan. Kahit nawala yung signal ko at nag-take to ako, nandito pa rin kayo. Maraming salamat. Wait lang. Baka, ayan, wait lang, ha. Ano bang problema dito? Ay, hindi ko rin alam. Hoy, hoy. Hoy. Ayan, okay na ba yan? Hoy, langgang Ruby! Harang, gwapa. Agoy, nasa harang pala ito. Uy, wait lang, ha. Mayang! Hoy, tamsak dan host. Mega love shout out, Mayang. Harang pa. Nasa harang pala ito sila, oy. You make me stronger than breaking my heart. You Harang pa host. Miss Fortune, I shown you love. Ayan, sino ba si Miss? Ayan. Miss Fortune. Ayan, si gaming daw, tapos na. Rovi, I shown you love. Oh, really? I get ready for work. Ayan. Thank you so much, my best friend Kwang Hei. Ayan, thank you so much for all the bananas, for all the effort, for all your love, charet, love, for all the support. Thank you so much. Ayan, Ban Isli. Hoy! Tamsak Sisi, agoy, Tamsak Loves. Hoy, working pa. Hoy, nag-working ka dyan, tapos nag-ano ka dyan. Diyos me, yung Marimar. Shout out sa iyo, palangga Japonesa. Andyan yung ano, palangga mo, si Kwang Hei. Get ready to work na daw siya. Ayan, maraming salamat. Pasok na. Hoy, langga mayang! Hoy, Van! Hoy, Van! Tamsak host, mega love shout out to you, Van. Maraming salamat. Hello, Nakul TV from Miss Fortune. Host, pwede pa tamsak. Hoy, langga mayang. Pasensya na mayang ha. Wala ko nababa yung premiere. Si baba mo dyan langga, B. Ay, ako na lang, B. Miss, I shown you love. Ayan, gaming with Eric. Thank you for giving love to my friend here. Ayan, thank you so much. Hirap talaga mag-English Ayan. Guys, si gaming guys. Nang dikit siya, yung mini-mention niya, tapos na daw siya. Ayan, pabalik na lang ang... Ayan, hello Japonesa, sabi ni Nakol Saging. Ayan, OMG. Yes, your girlfriend is here. Japonesa is here. But she's still still at work. Okay, kahirap langga Japonesa. Ay, bahala ng English. Ay! Hoy, langgang mailing. Salamat sa pabidyo diha, ha? Host, okay, wait lang palangga mayang, ha? Ibaba ko yung premiere mo. Ayan.
Kuya, ginatay mo.
May mayang, hindi pa na-expire yung ano mo, mayang. Mayang channel. Ayan. Gala Day with YouTube Friends Part 1. Sana all may gala-gala. Wala, uy. Ang saray, oras diha, ma. Ayan, Japanese sa love. Agoy. Wait lang. Ha? Launa yung premiere ni ano ba? Ay, just me, Marima. Ay, wait lang ha. Nawala na manoon ko Hoy, Dorin! Shout out to you, Dorin! Salamat sa pagpunta. Mayang channel shown you love. Did you already connected to Mayang? Gaming with Eric? Ayan. Mayang channel premiere. Guys, may premiere po yung isang ano ko, guys. Isang channel member, si Mayang channel. Please do connect, guys. Ayan, patamsak na. Hoy, Dorins, ba't naghubo ka man, oy? Shout out to you, Dorins. Hey, guys, pasensya na kayo, ha? Ayan, Japonesa, nakakahanda ng umalis. Ayan, langgang Japonesa, yung darling mo, nakahanda na daw siyang umalis. Ayan. Take good care, my best friend Kwang Hei. Take good care. Who shoot me? Drop your house, please. I will connect you too. Ayan, si gaming. Si gaming with Eric. It's already done to you. He said. Hindi na ako kakapan mo English. Ayan, gaming with... I hear chicken. Yeah, we have a lot of chicken here. Peace to you, gaming. Oh, the roaster. Did you hear the roaster? Oh my God. Okay, gaming OTW from Mayang. How you been, sis? Well, sorry earlier, my friend Dwayne. I lost my live earlier, so I did take to this time. You know, I think I don't know what's the reason why I lost my bad words, or how to say that. I don't know how to explain. Well, I'm doing good. By the way, my friend. So guys, did you did you name the roaster? No, because we have a lot of roaster. The roaster, they haven't named. Ako kahirap talaga mag-English. Ay, just may Do you like roaster? Gaming? I will give it to you. Despacita, shout out to you, Sisi. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta ulit sa bahay ko. Ayan, si Japonese sa love, nagbaba ng bahay. It's okay. Why, nako, this is Dwayne, bro. I hope you understand my, my English. Ay, just may marimar. My English, that's my back subject when I was in high school. Miss Fortune, For Nature Dan Sukli from my young channel. Dan Tamsakos, shout out to you, Despacita. Patamsak sa premiere. Ayan guys, may premiere din si guys, si Despacita. Ayan. Please do connect kayo dyan guys. Magtulungan tayo yung may mga premiere dyan. Please do connect at magtamsak. At saka ito din si guys, si Mayang channel. Ibaba ko yung bahay niya. May premiere din siya. Ay wait, si Maricar. Saan na ba yan si Maricar? Maricar TV guys, yung isang ko may din, may premiere. Hey Japanese sa love, I shown you love. Ayan. Si Kwanghe Nakol TV yan guys. Si Japanese. Show me your love, what to do, wait lang. Ayan, si D.S. Dwayne, guys. Please do connect. Baka hindi nyo pakadikit si D.S. Dwayne. Please do connect also, guys. He's one of my friend, my supportive friend here in YT. Ayan. Patamsak, guys, sa premiere ko. Salamat. Ayan. Wait lang, guys, ha. Hoy, kambali, Jaycos. Shout out dyan, Jaycos. Maricar premiere. Guys, may binaba ako dyan, guys, kay Maricar TV, guys. May premiere siya 1 p.m. Pinas time. Pa-connect naman ako, guys. I asked a question, Sheila. What? Did you ask me? Do you struggle with English, Sheila? Yes. Yes, I will. Why? Do you want me? You want me to? Did you want me to teach? I mean, are you willing to teach me on how to speak English? Ay, just me yung marimar. Help me. My brother is Dwayne. Someone should do a funny kak joke. Joke. Someone should do a funny ay nako, joke. Ako, hoy, gaming. Ay, mabuang ko. Very impatient, darling. Yeah, but I'm trying to, my dear bro, I'm trying to pa-connect, guys. Wait lang, Jaycos. Ayan, wait lang, guys, ha. Ayan, si Jaycos, guys, is channel member ko rin, guys. Hoy, kayo nang bahala dyan sa aking English, oy. Struggle dito talaga ako. May premiere pala si Jaycos, guys. Hoy, gaming and Dwayne, I hope you understand my English. Thank you, gaming with Eric Beyonce Boise. How di Carabao? Chicos channel. Hi. Where are you? My friend is Dwayne. Are you lost? Pa-connect guys. Ayan, binaba ko si Jaycos guys. Si Jaycos isang channel member ko. Ayan, hindi pa ba nag-start yung ano? Wait lang guys ah. Nalugod. Baka mawala na naman ulit yung ano ko. Mary Tamsak host. Hina net ko. Wait lang. Ayan, 16 minutes pa pala. Wait lang guys. Wait. Mabuang yung kaning Dwayne ani ron ba? Wait. Wait. Ayan, Mary Neil. Harang pa. Shout out yun lang ako guys. Wait lang ha. Hagoy! Si Pamilat nandito. Wait lang my dear bro Dwayne, wait a minute. I'm gonna shout out first my ano, nagpaharang-harang. Hoy! Hoy! Marese! Hoy! Salamat sa iyong pagbisita din ha. AG Tixon. Basta Maresiha, oy. Tuara ang gwapa. Hoy, gwapa just may marimar. Hoy, I miss you na. Hoy, Ma'am Grace.
Si Ma'am Barbie.
Ma'am Barbie daw. O diba, ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Ma'am Grace. Shout out din na Ma'am Grace. I miss you too. Ay pa sabi ba sound sa si Kuan B. Hoy, paghawa diha. I speak slow and fast in English. American English is broken English and British English is proper English. And more prettier. British English is the original English. Oh? Before Americans the language. Ah. Okay, thank you for sharing, my dear friend. I don't know that. Agoy, meresi talaga Ma'am Grace. Panabangit ako rin Ma'am Grace. Uy. Ma'am Grace, rin yung panglaban. Ano kay? Hello da Ma'am Grace. United States original belong to my Native American ancestor before the Irish and English settlers took over, and yes, I am 1/8 Native American, so I am biologically American. Oh, good to hear that, my friend. You know, I don't know. I don't know how to explain. Maya going channel shout. Maya. Hoy, just me time pa sabi di na ko mapuang na kuan ni. Ayan, shout out sa 14 million dyan in the house. Tamsak ulit, Pretty Bean. Hoy, sis Ella, nawala yung internet. Ay, nawala yung live. Di ko alam kung bakit. Exit ko kay magdugo akong ilong diri. Hoy, Mary, gara diha, Mary. Pag stay tuned din ha. Mega love shout out, Madam Grace B. Oatley. Tamsak share done, sis. Hoy, maraming salamat sa pa-share mo, sis Aileen. Tamsak daw. Just me, nabuang ako in English ako pagbasa. Ginom ko. Shout out the GS Dwayne from Mary Neil. Ayan, maraming salamat sa shout out yun dyan guys ha. Go. Ma'am Grace, ginoo ko, mabuang ko bayot. Ay, Diyos mayo. Guys, please do connect na lang kayo dyan guys. I am telling you the story of my country. Ayan, thank you. Now I know my friend is Dwayne. That's why sometimes I encounter lot of American and Canadian are it's different, you know, a different, what's the, I don't know how to explain. Oh, gives me you the grammar, it's different. It's, you know, it's not same, it's not the same. Okay, gives me you Marimar Mercedes. Hala, hawa diha Don Marie.
Kuan kay dilo ka nung buhok.
Ayan. Now I know my friend is Dwayne. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot for sharing your your country history. Now I know. Kuy Ginoo ko Ma'am Grace panabangi intawon. Asa naman to si Ma'am Grace? Uy, nawa na si Ma'am Grace diri ah. Apatay tayo pangga. Kaya mo yan ilabas ang gitara. Man-English. Ay, kasi kara-karain. Uy, guys, baka may kayo dyan, guys. Mga community. Pa-share naman ako.
Ipentong kamayan mo.
Ayan. Ipin ko. Uy, si Maricar pala, guys. May ako, guys. Si Maricar. Wait lang, guys, ha? Unsa na oras din, ha? Unsa oras sa gani? Wait lang. Alauna na? Alauna gani yung premiere, no? Guys, may ibaba ako dyan, guys, ha? Premiere ni Maricar.
Hindi abi i-search it.
Hindi na anak, ay nasa sikuan. Patamsak naman guys, premiere ko iwan bakas to banana saging balik ko. Ayan, sabaan ninyo dira oy. Ha, Dwayne, thank you for sharing, mate. Ayan. Salamat di Ma'am Grace ha. Hey sis, how are you? Nice meeting you, Mary Neil. Ayan, I'm doing great. This is Dwayne. Nice to meet you. Lagi, Don Marie. Here. Where are you from? Ayan, salamat kay dyan guys ha. Kayo muna ang magkwentuhan at ako'y magbabasa ha. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga dyan. Kaibigan ninyo naman si guys. 10 minutes. Thanks guys sa mga bumisita. In 10 minutes. Ayan, nandyan ka pala Sisi. Ayan. Ayan, malapit na premiere si Maricar TV guys. Isang YouTube channel member ko guys, padikit at patamsak din sa kanyang premiere guys. In 10 minutes mag-start na yung premiere niya. Pa-support ako guys ha. Ayan, sabihin mo lang si Maricar ha pag mag-start na para ayan, mga 2 minutes or 5 minutes pwede na kami mag-transfer doon. Ayan, different type of history love yan. Kaya nga Ma'am Grace, minsan naguguluhan ako kasi pag sabi ko parang hindi man ito yung grammar nila ba, hindi man makapariha kaya minsan baka ako ang mali, charot. Alam ko naman na dili ako hawd ng English, pero maka-question ko ba nga nganong different man sila o kanang kuan, not same, hindi the same yung hindi the same yung language nila, I mean yung grammar ganon. Maricar TV, Dan Pulpak. Ayan, maraming salamat ha. Thank you, Sisi. Basta wag mong kalimutan ha, Sis Maricar. Sabihin mo pag 3 minutes or 5 minutes, punta na kami doon. VIENE show you love from Gaming with Eric. Sa muka, tagaan man po taanig trabaho niya. Sige na, kung Mary. Uy, ay na si Kuglab dyan diha, be. Ganina, rabi, naglabad akong ulo. Di na lang mo ingon, taga-asa nga lugar. Kuan man guna siya, huy, buutan ba na supportive kay na si Kuan, di is in every LS ko nandyan yan siya. Okay, Sisi. Ayan guys, padikit ako ni guys, ni Kambal ni Jaycos, may premiere din siya guys. Ayan, may premiere din si Jaycos guys. Si Jaycos isang channel member ko rin. Jaycos. Ayan, mayang channel. Langga, mayang, wait lang mayang ha. Agui, Diyos me, yung marimar. Oh my God. Japanese love dropping his link. Ayan. Maraming salamat dyan guys ha. Grace, dugo atong ilong diri. Ipa-translate nato ni host. Ayaw ko siglaw dyan ninyo diha, be. Nagpasalamat gay ko nandyan kayo. Malaking pasalamat ko guys. Kasi magbabasa na lang ako. Kayo na magpintuhan dyan guys, be. Maluoy, maawa kayo. Ayan, sino ba yung gumawa ng 19 million in the house ko? Maraming salamat. Sana all, daghang tao. Di ko alam, baka may everything naman dyan ang dyan. Basin silingan rami ana. Ayan, parang sa nakalimutan ko man, di na lang ako magkuan, baka si Ma'am Grace siguro ang nagparaming tao dito. Ay Ma'am Grace, maraming salamat sa Ma'am Grace, ikaw ba yan? Ayan, hello, I have premiere, di is Dwayne at 7 minutes. Hoy, Sis Ella Daniela, maraming salamat sa patamsak nyo dyan, ha? Yahoo! Hoy! Ago! Diyos me, yung marimar. Uy, Diyos me, yung marimar, guys. Nagpalipad na naman. Miss Grace Oatley, hello! Ayan, from Ella Daniela. Agoy, shout out din ha, guys, ha? Kung sino man ang nagparami sa aking tao dyan, Ayan, maraming salamat ha. At sa nagpalipad, Diyos me, yung Marimar, nagpalipad naman siya. Uy, hoy, mo ito, brigado. Gamsa hamnida. Hi! Guys, nagbaba na si Kwanghi ng balay, guys. Please connect na lang po, guys. Hoy, who is this? Japanese premiere? Okay, I will connect. Guys, may premiere day. Yung darling, guys. Ila Daniela, see you later. Diyan na yun si Ma'am Grace, naglinog sa amua kahapon. Hindi ako nakapunta, mawala-wala ang signal. Oy, bastang linog ka. Uy guys, wait, magutuin. Anong nagtamsak ramang ko? Wait lang ha. Ayan, wait lang. Guys, pa-connect ako sa darling ni Kwanghe, guys. May premiere. Ayan, minsan nagpapalipad yan, guys, kasi gusto niyang patamsakan yung premiere ng palalabs niya, guys. Wait lang ha. Okay na mo diha. Wait lang, sabi ay ako si okay habi. Ayan, nagparami ng aking viewers diyan. Maraming salamat. Kung sino man ikaw, magpakilala ka para malaman ko rin. See you, Miss Grace. Ayan, wait lang, guys, B. Guys, please do connect ako, guys, kang Japanese sa lab. Ayan, ipin ko muna, ha. Wait, dami racing. Ha. Mabatik care gyud ha. Ma, kisa man na. Okay ra ba diha kay Galinog? Aw, okay ra oy nangaguba ang ubang balay. Ila Daniela, sige. Ate. Kambal ni Jacobs, guys, pa-connect, patamsak ako sa. Hoy, Ma'am Grace, ikaw ba yung gumawa sa aking diyan? Maraming tao. Guys, patamsak ako sa binaba ni guys, Japanese sa lover. Sana all my love. Sana all my love. Sana all my love. Uy, Maricar, anong oras na ba, sis Maricar?
Iwan naman.
Ayan, patamsak ako sa premiere ni Japonesa, guys. Yung darling ni Kwanghe, may premiere. Patamsak ako, guys.
Uy,
Baka naman 4 minutes. Ayan, 4 minutes na lang. Kajut lang, anak, B. GNBS channel. Tamsak Danos, mega love shout out. Ayan, bago mo pa akong kadikit, pa-jacket po. Ayan, kung bago mo akong kadikit, or hindi ka pa nakadikit sa akin, padikit naman. Ayaw lang og saba. Salamat kay Dia Ma'am Grace, imong suporta din na ha. Ayan, mega love shout out Kuya William. Pagluto og bulad diha kay muana ko, mukaon gutom na ko. Bulad daw. Kuya William, shout out diha Kuya William. Wait lang ha, bisa na itong premiere ni Ayan, my best friend Kwanghe, thank you for the super chat. Ayan guys, patamsak ako sa premiere ni guys, Japonesa, guys. Darling ni guys, darling ni Kwanghe Nakol TV. Ayan, maraming salamat Kuya William. Ako'y naghang akong computer. Hala, 1 minute na lang guys. Ibaba ko yung premiere ni guys. Hi po. Ayan. Tamsak Sexy Bien. Hoy, shout out dyan. Duplicate. Ayan, mega love shout out guys. May ibaba. Agoy. Wala nang time. Kambal with Eric. Ayan, wait lang guys ha. Puntahan natin muna yung premiere ng ating kapatid dyan guys. Si Maricar TV premiere. Hoy, Stir. Agoy, wait lang guys ha. Tusukon tika. Salamat sa patusok mo dyan. Guys, punta muna tayo dito guys. Oh, binaba ko guys. May premiere po si Maricar TV. Pasupport naman ako mga palangga. Dan sa premiere Japonesa. Ayan, maraming salamat Langgang Mayang. Dan sa premiere Japonesa. Guys, pag-rate a comment kayo doon na galing kay VIENE Marie guys ha. Kasi basta lang. Ayan. Mag-rate a comment kayo kay Japonesa guys. Maraming salamat. Hoy, Eastern Steffi, shout out to you. Tusukon tika. Salamat sa patusok mo dyan. Ayan guys, puntahan naman natin yung premiere ni guys. Ni Maricar TV guys. Binaba ko yung premiere ni Maricar TV. Pasupport ako guys. Sige na guys, malapit na mag-start yung premiere niya guys. Yes, tama. Ayan guys, pasupport ako. Ayan. Binaba ko yung link niya guys. Pasupport naman guys. Puntahan muna natin guys. Tapos balik tayo dito para mangisda. Ayan, Ma'am Grace. Maraming salamat dyan, Ma'am Grace ha. Wait lang. Ayan, ganit ko. Ayan guys, may binaba ako dyan guys. Link ni Maricar TV. Pa-support ako guys. Go, go, go. Go na tayo guys. Pa-help ako. Ayan, nandun na si ano, G Duplicate, si Langgang Chararat. Ayan. Salamat. Hoy. Ayan guys, please do connect kayo kay Maricar TV. She have a premiere. Please do connect guys and support. Ayan, thank you so much. The Stones Live, maraming salamat Sisi. Ayan, pa-support ako sa aking ano guys, channel member guys. Nag-premiere siya si Ma'am Maricar TV. Wait lang guys ha, gadget lang jud. Apoy, apoy. Hawa bi, hawa bi. Baka mawala na naman itong ano ko, live ko. Hawa bi. Ha? Di ayaw na lang, dili mo.
Kaya daw ano kay mainit ako daw.
Manok, manok.
Manok dali sa manok.
Kambras.
Kambras.
Yan, wait lang guys ha.
Pila ka unod. Ay ina kabras lang tanan.
Aray, dun Mario, naunsa naman ka.
Kuan
Guys, pa-support ako sa premiere ni ano guys. Maricar TV. Maricar TV, dan dikit. Ayan, Langgang Jacobs. Tamsa kapatid, uy kapatid, vlog blik blik. Shout out sa iyo kapatid.
Pila ka kuan kambras.
Kuan na lang. Sa isinta lang ya. Kuan.
Bali 40 nga unod.
Di na ko mapit sa unod.
Dili. O, sa isinta lang. Evolution, shout out Evo. Bulad lagi dayon suka sili kagutom. Uy, nagsamok mi dili sa panood-an. Uy guys, puntahan naman natin yung premiere ni ano guys, Maricar TV guys. Kapatid, ulit na lang taan ni. 2, 4, 6 kaunod. Aw 5 lang kaunod niya. Kambras. I'm in. Agoy na nagharang di ay ka.
Kambras.
Oh. Ako na.
Sisinta nga kambras. Kambras pa niya yung pangalan.
Guys, may premiere si ano guys, papunta. Pa-support ako guys, be. Ayan, tulungan naman natin yung isang kapatid natin guys, si Maricar TV. Binaba ko yung link ni Maricar TV guys, nag-premiere siya ngayon. Puntahan naman natin guys, 4 lang yung viewers niya doon. Pa-support ako mga palangga.
Sakay ko yun ulit ha. Ay na lang ha. Sakay na lang.
Evolution showed your love. Ayan. Thank you all. Ayan guys, pa-support ako guys. Kay Maricar TV, 2 lang yung viewer niya doon. Hey, hey, hey. Andyan pa kayo. Ayan, Arvin. Pa-support ako kay ano, Arvin. Kay Maricar TV. Nag-premiere siya, Arvin. Nag-premiere po yung isang ano ko guys. Yung isang channel member ko. Pa-support naman ako guys, be. Puntahan naman natin guys. Kawawa naman guys. 2 lang yung tao niya doon. Ayan, nandun na si kapatid Blig. Hoy, tapos hindi pa pala. Wait lang ha. Nasa kayo. Ayan. Arvin. Ayan. Ayan, Arvin. Arvin, pa-connect ako sa kay Japonesa Love. Binigyan ka na daw niya ng isang saging. At sigaw ya. Uy, Zenny. Bawal manggunin saging ba? Uy, William, salamat dyan. Japonesa 22 tamsak sa premiere mo. Ayan, my best friend Kwang Hei. William Tangonan, it's connected on your love. To your love pala. At sigaw ya. Wait lang ha. William Tangonan. Ayan, pa-connect din ako guys kay Kuya William Tangonan guys, isang channel member ko. Ayan. Japanese love. My best friend Kwang Hei, William Tangonan, it's already done to Japonesa. Ayan si Dwayne guys, nagbaba din ng bahay, Miss Fortune. Ayan, my best friend Kwang Hei, thank you for the super chat. Pa-jacket po host. Ayan, wait lang guys ha. Nandun kami sa kabilang ano. Sa D.S. Dwayne. Ayan. Langgang Mayang. Wait lang langga Mayang ha. Nandun kami kay Maricar TV. Nag-premiere si Sis Maricar. Shina's Vlog! Hey, Shina's! Thank you for coming! Tamsak Sisi, maraming salamat sa patamsak mo dyan. Langgang Shina's Vlog, shout out. Salamat sa patamsak. GVS. Ayan. Japonesa Dan Polpak po. Ayan, sabi ni GBS channel. Ayan, maraming salamat sa patamsak nyo dyan kay Japonesa guys. Ayan, premiere po ni Japonesa guys. Magtamsak kay Japonesa guys. Don't forget from VIENE Marie guys ha, para malaman din ni Japonesa na galing kayo sa akin. Ayan, si Kwang Hei ang nagbaba sa link ni Japonesa. Hoy, Kuya Ogi! Haggoy, si Kuya Ogi, hindi ko nakita. Kuya Ogi, big love shout out. Tamsak Dan host. Ayan, Kuya Ogi, shout out Kuya Ogi. Ayan, Langgang Mayang. Salamat dia Langga Mayang ha. Saan na yung premiere mo Langga? Eh? Sana all may premiere, may laging premiere.
Naman yung sa upload.
Wait lang ha. Saan na ba yung premiere mo Langgang Mayang? Eh? Ayan, Langgang Ria Geraldine. Shout out dia Madam. Uy, 48 years may mahuman natin. Dito lang. Ayan. Wait lang guys ha, nandoon kami sa kuan kay Maricar Premiere. How are you? Ayan, si D.S. Dwayne. Wait lang guys ha. Thank you.
Uy, loading.
Loading ako. Nag-connect ka na.
Ang hingin mo na loading.
Sana hindi ito mawala. Naglo-loading ako guys. Wait. Wanak, wanak.
Ubus na.
Wait lang guys ha, nagloading. Nagloading ba ko dyan? Mao na maguna siya god. Mag-delete yan. Harang.
Ria Geraldine.
Despacita, the hair doctor, Dan Tamsak at Kalimbang all thanks. Ayan from Grace Lona Vlog.
Di na siya si Ma'am Grace.
Ha?
Di na siya si Grace. Ma'am Grace.
Lahi po to si Ma'am Grace BOT. Si Madam Grace ni. Ayan, bikini man, padikit sa akin small village. Thanks. Guapa Ria Geraldine, Grace OTW from Miss Fortune. Ayan, Ria Geraldine. Wait lang, alaon, nag-loading jud ko ay.
Kalami.
Hala, nag-premiere. 14 hours, hala. Langgang Ria, sa ako'y. Hala, nag-thumbs up pag gila ko.
Labay niya. Yes. Tingnan ko natin.
Ayan, may binaba din ako guys, isang channel member si Ria Geraldine, baka naman dyan.
Oo, makita naman natin lang yung isa. Di ba ito? May awit.
Ay, nag-loading ako. And maraming salamat sa 7 million dyan na naka-stay tune na, stay tune ha. Ayan, wait lang, asa na ba yun si Kuya William? Loading yun siya ay. You make me stronger than breaking my heart. Wait lang guys ha, mangi ko guys. Nangi pa rin ako.
Ikaw na lang yun. Nakapot na ka.
Ano naman? Steven Moore! Shout out to you, Steven Moore! Ayan. Guys, may mga binaba ako dyang bahay, guys. Pa-connect ako, mga channel member ko. Ayan, ay taon na. Ayan, sis Ella Daniela. Grace Luna Vlog, done full po. Ayan, langgang Grace. Grace Luna Vlog, mega love shout out from Ria. Ay, kagwapa ba? Agoy, meresi. Huy, manakagharang diha. Ayan, Steven Moore. Shout out to you, Steven Moore. Nahihi pa ko, guys, oy. Ko alam, naglo-loading ba ako dyan, guys? William OTW from Miss Fortune. Ayan. Miss Fortune, maraming salamat. Nandyan lang yan. Naka-BG lang yan si Kuya William dyan. And don't forget to write a comment guys ha. Para mabalikan kayo. I mean, para mas maganda kasi yung ano, yung mag-comment para madali ang sa inyo, pag-connect. Steven Moore, maraming salamat dyan sa pag-stay. You make me stronger than breaking my heart. Yan, maraming salamat dyan sa mga nag-BG. You ended my life. Ayan, andyan pala si Kuya William, oh. Wait lang. Steven Moore, Ella Daniela, to you. Ayan, done to you. Sabi ni Steven Moore. Thin Susu. Alan Walker. Ayan, Steven Moore, where are you from? Steven Moore, see you later, friend. Thank you. I forgot. Ayan. I will give you one banana. Is thin susu. Thin susu. Steven Moore, done. Ayan. Langgang Jacos, maraming salamat sa pagpunta doon sa kay Maricar TV sa kanyang premiere. Maraming salamat sa pumunta, guys. Ayan. Ayan. I already give you one banana, Steven Moore. Steven Moore OTW from Miss Fortune. Malaki na yung niya, tahanan ni Steven Moore, guys. 5.6. Ayan. You make me everything, I'm falling in love. Ayan, thanks. Ayan, you're welcome. Ayan, thank you so much for coming to my live stream today, my friend. Steven Moore. Guys, mahirapan talaga ako pag marami English, guys. Ayan, guys, please do connect to guys, Kambal ni Jacos, one of my member. William Tangonan, also my member channel, my channel member. Thank you guys sa support. Ayan. Salamat din Sisi. Nawala na yung uban. Nawala na yung iba. Hindi na bumalik. Hindi na bumalik. Baka nag-ano na yun sila. Kumain na. Charot.
Walong dekon sa password at ni.
You make me stronger than... Ayan, sis Ella Daniela. Si sis Ella Daniela, bumalik. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa you. Kambal ni Jacos, andito. Si ano, si kapatid Blake, hindi na bumalik. Iwan ko lang si Langgang Chararat if andyan pa. Yung nag-ikot-ikot ako dyan. Steven More than full pack. Ayan, from May's Fortune. Sis, BG muna ako ha, kasi baking ako ng apple pie now. Walang problema, Sisi Maricar. Maraming salamat sa pa-BG mo dyan. See you, mate. Miss Fortune Dance, so let's connected na. Ayan. Ito po sisi ko. Sige, maraming salamat sis Maricar. Wait lang. Medyo nagkalapit tayo. Ayan. Huy. Disaman ako na amli ko kay mayan di. Wait lang. Naglaag pa. The stones lie. Miss Fortune, thanks, I will. From Steven Moore. Ayan, sis Maricar. Maraming salamat, sis Maricar. Mega love shout out the Stones Live from Grace77 Luna Vlog. Maraming salamat siya. Mapatambay dyan, guys, ha. Welcome, Steven Moore from Miss Fortune. Okay. Steven, show you love. Ayan. From Gaming with Eric Boise. Hala, uy, ano na ba bang nangyari dito? Guys, may nakapin din dyan, guys. Si Japonesa Love. May premiere din siya, guys. Please do connect also, guys. I pinned the link of Japonesa Love. Please do connect, guys. Premiere din ni Japonesa. And maraming salamat sa 8 million in the house na nagtambay. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the BG. Ang hirap. You make me stronger than breaking my heart. You wanted my life and build a better one. Tama ba yun? You make me everything. Ayan, Kuya William. Salamat diha. Naniudto na ka, Kuya William. Hala, di lagi nag-add-on ako mga perks kahapon ba? Di lagi ay, wala lagi. Asa na to silang Rhea Geralde ay? You make me stronger to break in my heart. Ayan, gaming with Eric. Oy, langgang mayang, nandun akong langga. Nagkuan man di ay ka. Uy, ibaba mo ulit pa yung premiere mo, Pi. Nandoon, ano pala ka? Ay, nag-live. Ayan guys, patamsak din ako kay Mayang channel sa kanyang premiere. Wa na naman sa hero na siguro to si Kuan. Best friend Kwang Hee. Ayan guys, patamsak naman ako kay Mayang channel sa kanyang premiere guys. Tamsak nyo lang, masaya na yan. Ayan, padikit sa akin, small village, mga palangga. Thanks from Grace Lona. Lagang Luna, salamat kasi pabidji ha. Ayan, pinin ko yung link ni Madam Mayang channel guys. Patamsak na lang ako sa kanyang premiere. Kuha ako braso eh. Oh. I make me stronger than breaking my heart. Nakatambay na lang kayo dyan. Hindi na kayo nag-comment. Wala na akong mabasa. Naisip. Ang saan man yun? Hanap po kayo na pindot to. F8. Pila to na? 17. 17 minutes ang harang. Ayan, 9 million in the house. Salamat sa pabidji nyo dyan, guys. 10 million in the house. Wait lang, baka na may nag-comment na dyan. Hindi naman bumalik si si Miss Fortune, done to you from Stephen Moore. Ayan, thank you so much for connecting, my friend Stephen Moore. Ayan, Stephen Moore, can you please do thumbs up to my young channel? Stephen Moore. I pinned the link of my young channel. She have a premiere. Can you please do connect also? Ayan, my young channel is one of my member. You wanted my life and build a better one. Hey! Riz Boy! Hey, hi! Hello to you, Riz Boy! How are you? Ayan, thank you so much for coming again to my live stream. How are you, by the way, Riz Boy? Do you have online class? Ang dami ko ng tanong guys, hindi kasi siya nagko-comment ulit. Hey to you. Ha ha ha, yes. Oh, what time? Mayang, done to your LS. Hoy, Mayang, is that your LS, Mayang? Wait. Okay. This is the premiere of Mayang. Yan si Langgang Chararat. Manaara din na din. Napahipi din na si Langgang Chararat. Langgang Chararat! Salamat kini Langga. Simply sell. Hala. Wala. Ano daw? Uy, Langga. Nag-LS ka kahapon, Langga. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I will drop the link of one of my member, guys. Ayan. Why people disliking stream? I don't know. I think, is that you? Did you do dislike my stream? Oh, that's not good. But merese. Wait lang ha. Wait lang guys. May ibaba lang ako ng ano. Wait. Ayan, Philippines na call. I have like, oh really? I think you've mistaken. Hoy, Madam Jajali. Mary Neil, maraming salamat that Mary Neil ha. Have a nice day po. Ayan, Steven. Shout out and thank you so much for coming to my live stream. Thank you for your time. Ayan. Pamilat, Madam Dadali. Ayan, Saging Ho. Shout out to you sa again, Philippines na call TV. Ay, hala. Why did I pin your... Oh my God. Maria Celina Bells. Tamsak po, host. Ayan. Host, pwede magpatamsak sa premiere ko po. Salamat. Yes, pwede. Ayan, Scarface. Agay. Welcome. Come back. Ayan, nawala yung tuwad. Ito talaga I think you're doing something wrong with my live stream, Riz Boy, ha? No, don't do that, my friend. You have to thumbs up my live stream. Don't thumbs down. That's not good, my dear. Scarface TV, shout out the Zong. Hoy, Dul, salamat kasi pag-anhi, Dul, ha? Present, Madam Jajali, Pamilat. Maraming salamat. Why man tuwad-tuwad aswang? Ambot si Kuan na si Kuan ana si Riz Boy. Ning anhira siya niingon siya na ay koy tuwad. Wa mo ko ni tuwad kanina. Bot ana sigbin. Ayan. Ha. All this like gun. Oh, I think is that you. You're doing something wrong with my live stream. Ayan, don't do it, my friend. Don't do it again, ha? Ay, mabuang ko ni mo bayot. Salamat po, host. Ayan, walang anuman, Maria. Ayan, nagbaba ka ng premiere mo. Kagwapa. Ay, merese, dyan mo diyan dong Scarface. Mabuang ko ni mo bayot. Mary left the group. Nagdugo ang ilong. Nangitag tissue. Ay, ko si Gragara diya, Mary diya, be. Mabuang ko nila. Na po ni sulod. Na po ni si Kuan, oh. Gray 77. Ayan, si Gray 77 daw. Binigyan ka daw ni, Japonesa ng, ni Japonesa lab ng, saging. Ha. Scarface TV. Mega love. Shout out from Mary Neil. Hoy, Madam Mary. Maraming salamat. Oy, agoy. Ayan, William Tangonan. Maraming salamat, Kuya William. Ha. You catch that I am with my friend. He gave me challenge that I have lost that. Can you say hi to Nikong? Hey, Nikong! Hey to you. Thank you so much for watching to my live stream this time. I hope you enjoy my live stream. Damirese. Ayan, shout out to you, Nikong. Thank you. The Nikong is the friend of RizBoy78. Mega love shout out to you. Thank you for watching to my live stream. I hope you enjoy. Damirese. Hoy, maraming salamat dyan, ha. Grabe na jud ni ba. Wa pa ko kita og tisyo. Ayan, wrist boy, can you please give tissue to my friend Mary? Ay, naka, mabuang ako bayat. Ayan, guys, si Maria. Ayan, guys, may, ako'y na, kinsa man in town to. Pariha, para birahi. Pangga, Yahoo, ay ko si Glab din na, gitagaan daw ka ni Kwan, o, ni, ano, ni Nakul TV og saging. How did you catch the, I lost 1 pound? Ha? Hoy, Grace, oh Grace. Naghang ang utok nako diri. Ha?
Ayaw na, pag-inisi na.
O, di kara na lang.
Yauman kay. Ako kalit Pinay kay wala na.
Nagharang, agoy, sigo, glab din na lang kang Mary B. Maluoy, punta mo na ako, eh. Scarface, mega love, shout out from Grace77 Vlog. Ayan, Grace7, done to you from Steven Moore. Okay na, anak, dawataw kung sinadira. It mean me and my friend beat that. Will you catch that? I have dislike and saying you that. Huh? It mean me and my friend beat that. Will you catch that? I have dislike and saying you that. Ambot sa imo, oy. Ayan, shout out to you, Rich and Nico. Ayan, thank you for watching. Thanks, Steven Moore. OTW na sa bahay mo. Si Steven Moore, guys, Englishin nyo yan. Daga ibang bansa din yan siya, guys. Ayan. Ay ko si Glabza diya. Steven from Japonesa. Ayan, Steven. Japonesa love. It's already done to you. Ayan. Why is hen in your area? I have a lot of chicken here. My friend Riz, I have a lot of chicken. Driving ho so Kuya William. Salamat tidak Kuya William, ha. Di na nako makaya og kuan. Di na siya nako makaya. Guys, na-mention po ni Japonesa love, guys. Pasukli na lang, guys. Ayan, nag-mention siya ng mga pangalan dyan. Suklian nyo na lang, guys. Kasi natamsakan or nakakonect na yan sa inyo, guys. Si Japonesa love. Si Kwanghi Nakul TV yan, guys. Binaba niya yung premiere ni Japonesa. Hugas lang ako plato ho. Sige lang kag mayang. Nasma Kawaris TV. Good day everyone and shout out po host. Ayan, Nas. Shout out din to you. Ayan, I already give you the jacket. The leader jacket. Ayan, Mami. Hey! Ano, nag-hey naman ko. Ayan, Daddy Riwin TV. Mega love shout out. Yahoo, hello. Hello to you, Daddy Riwin. Isang mayong harang. Isang milyong harang. Meresing. Ano, ninggawas. Harang. Kagwapa. Agoy, merese. Judiha, Daddy Riwin. Kabalo na ako magbisaya. Nag-loading ako, guys. Wait a bit. Wait lang. Hey, can you tell me after joining your channel what will happen? I don't know what will happen. I don't know. Just enjoy my live stream and reading while I'm reading your comment. Okay? I don't know what happened. Ay, mabuang ka dito bayot. Harang. Ako si Despacita na harang. Ayan, Daddy Riwin, maraming salamat sa pagdalaw mo ulit sa pagdalaw. Pagbisita mo ulit sa aking premiere sa aking live stream. Ang harang kay Dragon. Boga, Dragon. Dansukli, Steven Moore. Ayan, Steven Moore. Grace Lona 77 is already done to you also. Ayan, thank you so much ng model you. Ayan, langgang Grace. Englishin mo yan, langga. Wow, English. Uy, naku, Diyos may mga pumasok dito. Hindi ko. Ayan, nawala. Nadaot sa English. Juraida, gani. Tamsakdan ho. Shout out to you. Juraida. Ayan. Ayan, binigyan na kita ng jacket. Japanese love done to your premier LS from Stephen Moore. Ayan. Dan Japonesa from Daniela Star. Ayan, thank you for connecting to the Japonesa, guys. Nagpaharang ko kay wa pa ko kita og tisyo. Ay, mabuang ako bayot. Wait lang, ha. Uy, langgan, anak ka sa sulod, Mary. Mary Magdalena, Diyos mayo. I don't have money for super sticker. But instead of super sticker, you can take those. Oh, you have na remember. This is fine. Oh, why what happened? Why are you crying? Is there something wrong? Don't mind the super chat. I mean the super sticker. Your presence here is you know, it's a big ay, Diyos mo yung marimar. It's a big help for me. Agoy. Did you understand? Did you get it? You know what I mean? Wrist boy. Hirap pamilat dito, guys. Ay. Mahalin nyo din ako. Ayan. Guys, please do also to Mary Neil. Ay ko, sige, bira. Ay, Diyos. Kuglabzan nyo, Jerry Adjud. Ayan, si Kambal ng Jaycos, guys. Ayan, nadiriwin. Salamat kay dia nadiriwin, ha. Ako, merese, ko ano nadiriwin, ay. Tulungan nyo naman ako, guys. Ay, pwede nyo siyang i-mention, tapos kayo ang mag-ano dyan, ano ba? Tawag nun? Ano ba, kwentuhan. Hoy, Mary, huwag mo kong tawanan dyan, ha. Ayan, dadiriwin, hindi ka ba nag-LS? Yeah, I meant what you mean say. Ayan, thank you, Riz. Ayan. Hoy, next time, if you go here in my live stream, can I ask you a favor? Don't do the thumbs down, ha? Bantay yun ka. No, bisaya na ako. I-mention na mo ikaw translate. Ay ko si Glabza diha. Sige na ba? Ayan, wrist boy. Mary Neil, she wanted to say hi to you. Bahala ka diha. Ala, oy, dito kanyo tabangan ay. Ay, maawa, maluoy ka mo, oy. Ganina pa rin, dugo-dugo akong ilong. Ayan, Stephen Moore, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for having here. I mean, for the BG. Hindi, mami. Ay, kuglap. Daddy, uy, tabangin ta ko niyo, uy. Ha, kiri mo yan, host. Uy, merese. Iwan ko lang, nang dami nilang pumapasok. Diyos me, nahirapan yung pamilat ko, uy. Yeah, sorry for that. It was just a challenge. Now I see I have liked your video. Yeah, I know you're there. I mean, I know. Thank you. Please say to your friends, please say to Nikong, don't do it again, ha? Don't do it again. I mean, don't do it your challenge. Ay, Diyos me, yung marimar, oy. Hi, Stephen Moore. Ayan. I hope you're doing well there. Oh my God. Bisaya ko diri. Hoy, Miri. Ayan. Hoy, Riz TV. Riz boy. Mary Neil, she wanted to say hi to you. Maricel Livanil Dan Dikit from Kambal ni Jaycos. Ayan, langga Jaycos. Salamat kay diha langga, ha? Ayan, mayang channel. Thank you for the BG. Yeah, I will never. Oh, wow, that's good to hear that. Sounds good, my friend Riz boy. You have to, ha? Taga-asa ka, Steven. Translate ko. Ayan, my friend Steven. Mary Neil asking you, where are you from? Ay, mabuang ko ni mo, Neil. Ay, ko sige, glabza din ha, Mary, ha? Signal nagbitay. Hu. Hoy, mabuang ko niyo bayot. Signal. Hoy, langga, Scarface. Pagubad, dihag bahay. Uy, pangisda ba? Ganda, tawa ni host. Ay, hoy, Eric! Shout out to you, Eric. Thank you so much for coming again, Eric. Huy. Ay, sige, may pag-maapil ka diri. Kailangan mong mag-ano ka dyan, mag-story-story ka rin dyan, Stephen. Ayan, wrist boy. Hi from Stephen Moore. Who is saying hi to me? My friend Mary Neal. Did you see the name of Mary Neal? She's asking. She want to tell you that hi. Can you please say hi also to my friend Mary Neal? Ganda. Agoy, ano ba ko? Taga-asa Karis. Translate for those. Ay, kasi, ayan, mabuo ko ni Mary, uy. Hi, Mary. As Reese boy, Mary Nia asking you, can you please do connect also? I mean, you know, um, you have to, kahirap talaga mag-explain ka. Can you please do a comment to Mary Neal, my dear friend Iris? She wanted to ask you something, but you know, I know you know, you know what I mean. I know you already what I mean. Ay, mabuang ko yung bayot. Love me for what I am. Ay, ayan, Steven and Neil. Mary Neil said that love me what I am. So, what are you waiting for, guys? You have to connect to Neil. I mean the Mary Neil. Tama, buang ko bayot. Huwag mo pilitin, host. Oo, magdugo. Ganina pa ni nagdugo akong ilong. Uy, Diyos me, yung marimar. Harang! Ayan, si Pau Pau bumalik. Nako, mapapalaban ka dyan ngayon, host. Uy, Eric, kailangan mo yung i-connect mo yan sila. Chikahin mo. Guys, I need your help, guys. Please help me, guys. Please help me. Ganina pa ako dito, guys. Gigutom na itang ko, ani. Harang. Ayan. Oh, Mary is saying hi to me. Hi, Mary. How are you doing, bro? No, that's not bro. It's girl. Hey. Reese boy. He's not a boy. She is a girl. He is a girl who says fire. Charot lang. Babae ko, Reese. Translate ko. Kalami niya sumbagon, oy. Mayang channel, shout out. Ay, wag, Reese, gigaan ni paingon diha, gyud. Uy, tabangi po rin ko nyo, guys, oy. Nosebleed, Bisaya, ana, host. O gani, nabuang ako ani diri lang kang Ela Daniela. Ayan. Hoy, Diyos me yung marimar. Unsay panahon dia, Steven? I-translate sa host, gaharang akong utok. Ay, Diyos ko siglab na din ha. Oy, love me to love you more na lang napaingon din ha, be. Haha, I am becoming famous. Oh, hi Mary, sorry for mistake. Mistake po. Oh. You're becoming a famous here in my live stream, my dear Wrist Boy 78 and my friend also Steven Moore. You're becoming a famous person here in my live stream. Wrist Boy and Steven Moore. Ayan. Ayan. Hello, it's Mary. Dance to you from Steven Moore. Hey, you can tell me Wrist only. Okay, I got it. I will call you Riz, okay? Ayan, Mayang, langgang Mayang, chikahin mo yan, langga. Ayaw, kabala ka Riz, wala man ko nasuko. Translate niyo sa host. Bahala ka diya, it's you Mary, bahala ka diya, langgang Mary. Mary Magdalena. Guys, I will eat first. You have to, you know, you have to communicate. I mean, you have to make a story there. Mary Neal, very nice video from USA po. Diba si Steven Moore, oh. She is practicing how to communicate Filipino, and she's telling the po, the polite form. Use Steven Moore using the polite form of a Filipino word like po. Wow, very nice, my dear Steven Moore. Wow, good job. Loading ang utok ni host, loading pud ang internet. Merisi na gid ta paingon. Mayang langga. Diyos niya. Ikaw tanaw dito, gitagana naman siya kuan dito. Sida. Oh. Ayan, langgang Mayang, pagkuan-kuan di langga, okay? Mayang dance to your premiere and full pack from Zuraida Gani. Ayan, Zuraida Gani, shout out. Bago mo ba akong kadikit? Baka bago mo akong kadikit, paano na lang ha? Pa-write a comment doon sa kalabaw ko para mamaya suklian ko kayo. Guys, sa mga bagong dikit dyan guys, paano ako guys ha? Pa-write a comment ako doon. Magbakas kayo doon sa kalabaw ko. Ayan, tapos ano, tamsakan nyo din yung kalabaw ko guys. Na ako sa'yo, Steven, i-translate. Ay, Diyos, labda, gilabad, dito ko aning langgang Mary ba? Wadyo ka naluoy na ko langga. Ayan, my dear friend, Steven Moore. Mary Neal said that she is on your house. Kay, nako, labad sa ulo. Hey, if Mary wanna talk to me, say here to talk in English. I don't know Philippine. Pilin. Hoy, Mary. My friend Riz. Mary is Mary Magdalene. I know Mary, she understand what are you talking about. Oh my God, bahala na gid mo din ha gyud. Ayan, Mary. Riz, ikaw ay bahala ni Riz more. Riz. Si host ra ang mag-English kay hang akong utok karon translate. Ulangga, maluin tang kalangga oy. Ayan. Dear friend, Riz, Mary said, she will, do you have a house? Because she wanted to connect on you, my dearest. Then, she's telling that she wanted to say to you, take good care always, and basta mo na to. Bahala ka diya, Nil. Ngita sa kong tissue. Agoy, oy, merese. Mag-arlor, disam to kagikan, oy. Ngita sa tissue. Ayan, Zoraida, your LS 3 days ago, ha? Ha. Ayan, from Steven. Ayan, English pa more. Ay, Diyos me, labad akong ulo, eh. Maniud to sa siguro ko, basig mabuang ko, ani. Mary Neal dance to you. Hello from Ella Daniela. Ayan, English. Ay, langga, wak ka day ko ang premiere. Mac-Arlord. I don't have any account. So sad. Oh, you have to make it, okay? You have to make a YouTube account. So, lots of friends here were connected on you. You know what I mean? I hope you're doing, I hope you know what I mean. Ayan guys, thank you so much for staying here in my live stream guys ha. I really appreciate for staying here in my live stream. I really appreciate your time. That's okay. That's all. Ayan si Miss Fortune nagbaba ng bahay guys. Ayan, baka gusto niyo magpa-member dyan guys, merese. Ayan, don't forget to click the join button. So, okay. Malo to, that's all. Don't forget the button guys. It's a very affordable. It's not expensive. It's only 49 pesos. Ay nako. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo dyan guys ha. But I have to eat guys. Sige, banati. Ay kusig, sige, banati. Ayan, Riz boy. Riz. Mary Neal said, I love you. Baka din na. Oh, ito mo na anak. Dili na tabi ng tipsy. Hello, cute little girl, just like your mom. Ayan. This is Ella Daniela. Ano, gonna be hi. Hey. Galit siya, sis Ella, kasi gusto niya uminom ng Pepsi. Lovely baby. Hello, Steven. Oh my God. She wanted to drink and I said no. It's not good for the health. That's why the face is, you know. Maria Selena Beljan. Ayan. Hoy! Anong hoy? Hoy ka dyan. Bahala ka dyan. Oh, my net is lagging very much. Oh my god. Just throw your no. I'm just kidding. Kambal, thanks. Ayan, from Ziraida. Ayan, tagain na og Coke. Huy, langga. Nag-inom na may ganina Pepsi. If she wanna talk to me, say here to download Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans? That's game, right? And join the class fun with Dia. I will be there. Oh, you have to mention the name of Mary. Clash of Clans? Is that the online game? Riz? No, 2 Pepsi go with Coke. Ayan, no. No. Sis Ella Daniel, ikaw talaga sis Ella, ha? I will always remember the day you kissed my lips. Ayan guys, thank you so much for staying guys, ha? Ayan, konting push na lang guys. Give her Yakult host. I have no Yakult here. It's very expensive. Sige lang kung expensive ba. You don't have to be closer than have to say forever. Charot lang. Hey guys, just read the comment because I want to read your comment. Charot. Maraming salamat sa inyo dyan guys, ha. Thank you so much for coming to VIENE live streaming. Nice to meet you, Riz and Steven. Sorry if I'm not missing with our host. Sumbagong tagralangga ba? I'm having fun. Thank you guys for those who connected. Lolo ni mo langga. Mabuang ko bayot. Host, kain muna. Kaon sa kulangga. Uy, ayan. Kambal ni Jikos langga. Ikaw muna ang mag-connect dyan, be. Ayan. Hoy, langgang Mary, can you please, bulat sa ba? Hoy, langga Mary, ikaw sa bahala sa ilaha, ha? Ikaw sa ang mag-host diya, ha? Harang. Ikaw muna ang mag-host. I'll check your channel tomorrow. Love you guys. Midnight here already. Ay, kasi midnight diya, langga. Hoy, matulog na ko. Unya na gud langga mo kaon sa ko ba? Ikaw sa muna alaga diha. Uy. Maluoy ka ba yo? Hoy, asa akong kambras?
Maring, mana nang pagkaon din maring, kabalon mo nga lang ako. Shit, nawala na ako kasi nagkakatanan.
Ayan guys, ano na lang ako. 13 minutes guys. Please stay there like 13 minutes. Please. Charot lang. Mary, did you really said me I love you? Ala, Mary, bahala ka na lang ka. Ayaw ko ay itong suka ni nanay bitong halang. Lamon lang gud diha to bang sa kamera, nakinamot manggod ko, maulaw ko eh. Nak, iyabo ni nak ba, butayo suka, gusto na katong suka ni nanay halang. suka dong, be. Katong suka ni nanay. Chris, I did not. Ha, ha, ha. Bahala ka diya lang na.
Ayaw.
Ay, ako anak ni.
Ano?
Nana dong.
Badang rana dariya. Ay mahurot kay na ang konso kanon. Kuya, ayaw sa kuya.
Wala sa iya, be.
Ayaw laging sagit sa kundalungan. Abi na kasabot ka ni.
I was shocked because I am only 13. Oh my God, you're too young. Bibo kay mo diha. Daghan kay mi diri ah. Pila mi ka? 2, 4, 3, 6. Walo mi katao diri ah. Manong saba kayo. Guys, kunting push na lang. 10 minutes left, guys. Just stay there for a while. For a while daw. Daghan na, uy. Ha, ha, ha. O daghan ka, ay, puros mga apo. Binayaan mga kuan, amahan. Binayaan, o amahan, o ginahan.
Lagi mo na.
Uy, naniot na ka na. Happy eating. Happy eating. Kahas ano diha paharang sa ko. Harang atik-atik din siya harang-harang. Ya man biyaan na ko niya.
Managawa ang order.
Jarang ko ng cellphone na.
Kauman akong isa na.
Na.
Dapat. Sirigin na. Ay, inahan. Sabay. Ang gira na ko.
Kuya.
Kaya uma na ipasa. Ako, kaligay pa ipasa.
Ya.
Ako na kumuman.
Ya. Ya.
Ito nilang gawito.
Tama doon mo rin. Kanakalar pa ko.
Pag kang marang ka sir, mangyayang ka sa country check si Hel.
Did you don't know what I was only 13? You mean you said that you are 20 young of age.
Tulog sa mo.
But now you're telling me again that you're only 13 years old.
Huwag daw.
Papang!
Ikaw to, papang. Buwan. Sige. Malikod gasa.
Facebook, Facebook!
No, no.
Namin.
Ayan, my friend Disha Future. Shout out to you, my friend Disha Future. I'm here. I'm deciding because I'm eating right now.
Yan, nag-vlog si Sarah ya.
Baan mo doon, Mari? Uy.
Tulog, tulog.
What do you mean by no? You said me like again that's you're only 13 years of age.
First time pa ka.
That's why I said that I have online class. Meresi sa imo ha, oy. Thumbs up dan sis. Ayan, shout out to you, my friend Nisha Future. Ayan. You can drop your link, my friend Nisha. So, our friend here on you. Ayan, plus, please drop your link, okay? Stephen Oliveros. Hello, host. Ayan, shout out to you, Stephen. Ayan, kumakain ako. Nandito ko sa gilid. Kulog na ris. Naapaka klase ugma. I-translate sa host. Bahala ka diyan nga, oy. Mukhaon ko, bahala ka diha. Hello, host. Ayan, Stephen. Salamat. How are you doing, sis? Well, I'm doing good, my friend Nisha. How about you, sis? Ayan, thank you so much.
Gaman. Yay!
Marso na, February na gudron. March na.
I'm eating here, my friend Nisha, Sisi.
April.
Bitin lagi ang na yan, oh.
Oy,
Host, I did legit friend po.
ten.
Ayan, Steven Oliveros, can you please drop your link? May's Fortune Dawn. Ayan, from Zoraida Gani.
Ako pa kahilo nga. Nagsabak-sabaan. Dari,
Ayan, guys, please do connect kayo dyan, guys. Please do connect.
dari, baka sa
I'm here. I'm here in the side corner. I'm eating my lunch. I'm eating my lunch. Did I really disappear on my? Oh my God. Did you really? Ayan, please. Who want my content? Legit. Ayan. From Steven Oliveros. Ayan, guys, please do connect also to Steven Oliveros, guys. Ayan, dito lang ako. Kain ako. Ayan, si Dadali, guys. Ayan, please do connect also one of my friend, Ma'am Dadali. Dropping her link. Please do connect, guys. Oh, adding her link. Please do connect, guys. Oh, I was not knowing. My net lag. Oh my God. Just try your Wi-Fi, my dearest boy. You have to buy a new one.
Lupit ka na.
Hey, have you listened the song of 2002 of Annie Maria? No, I haven't. Who's Annie Maria? I don't know.
Wala ko man drama rin. May iyo mo kawa, oh.
Annie Maria, is that a famous?
May mukhawa.
Iray mo ka, isa ba?
Ayan, Julie Mio 2020. Hi.
Tara.
Hi, July. Ayan, shout out to you. Bigyan kita ng jacket, ha?
Tagsak sa kilid. No, di ka
Wait.
sila.
Ayan, may jacket ka na, July. Ella Daniela Dan from Zoraida Gani. Nice to meet you. Ayan, nice to meet you, July. Shout out to you. Ayan, I already gave you the jacket, so you can now drop your link. Wait. Have you always remember the day you kiss?
Gawa ba?
The day you kiss my lips, it was like a feather. No, I don't know that song. I know the song. I will always remember the day you kiss my lips. Life is a feather. Na. Oh, is that song? You mean is that song?
2020.
Tulog na ko gwapa, uy. Himo lang kang miri ha. Unya na katulog, uy. Gamay na lang jud. Kunting push na lang, uy. Sumka, uy, ayun ko biyahe diri aba. Salamat sa pag-translate. Ay ko si Glab din na. Ginata, I love you daw. Yes. Oh, I know that song, but I don't know the whole lyrics. Lyrics. Pila na lang ka minuto? 2 minutes na lang, God. Kasi katog sa diha. Madam, it's me, Mary. Mary Medellin. Hihihi. Ayan guys, nagbaba dyan ng link guys. Puntahan nyo naman guys. Ayan. Life is a feather. Dun, 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 dun. I like that song also. I love the song. I mean, I love the meaning. I love the Meaning of that song. Kahirap mag-English yun. Ay! Okay, I will meet you tomorrow and I don't know what I will Okay, I will meet you tomorrow and I don't know that I will she want to she Ayan, Mary Magdalene. Say bye-bye to your friend. Neil. Say bye-bye to your friend Reese. Bye-bye. Good care also and take good care always and have a good day. Good luck to your class, online class. Dan Maria Selena Bells. Ayan guys, I already got my 2 hours. Ayan guys, please do connect na kayo dyan guys kasi maya mag-e-end na ako. Ayan, thank you so much for staying sa mga palangga ko dyan.
Kampod, di mo nga bugya. Naras kilid, labayin ka mo. Puspusin yun. Saka puspusin. Saka mo kain arena.
Andreas Pitaliers. Have you made the chat all night long? No. Shout out to you, Andreas. 24 hours. No. I make my live stream like 2 hours. And I did 2 hours now. So, after 10 minutes, I will end my live stream. Kuy Ginoo ko, mapuang ko bayak. Two minutes na lang. Ay ko si Glove Jadya lang kang may rebe. Mag-end na bitang ko karon. Ay magkaroon ka mag-end naman ko. Stay po sa pala ito dala. Kaon sa diha, diri ara ko, ha ha ha. Salamat kay diha ha. Hapit akong makaon. Nag-diet ka pero di makaya. Ang grabing dugo ng ilong adlaw. Silang nga Mary po, dili po to ko niya tabangan. Bilat-bilat na gani ko. Asa man si Lumboy, ha? Lulo tong dong Lumboy. Wala na, kuha na to, napahipi na si Dapin. Silang Gangzel, murag naara na din ha, silang Zel. Si Chararat. Napahipi na po to. Wa ko'y premiere unya, wa ko ka edit. Sige lang, LS. Haha, may nag-ilis ka lang ga. Wa ka ato, nag-ilis ka karong adlaw. Wa man bugit ka premiere, kapoy edit eh.
Kuya, nakalit ko nimo ko lang si Kuya Tilly. Kuya.
Nag-ilis ka ganina?
Kuya. Kuya.
Gamit may overall.
Hindi na, kuya. Kadali naman.
Sarap sa agot kay. Subo pa niya palingke.
Sarap na ito makamurang ano.
Nagtanaw, nagimudyan mo sipong ban. Kasama si Yaw-Yaw sa.
Ano yun?
Karoon ba?
Hindi rin. Ay, sa simbahan.
Mura tapuan. Simba?
Munisipyo.
Si Piro?
Nina ra, mao kini ako gita gamit kay wala pa upload akong LS. Wala merese. Unsang orasa? Sa ini kabuntag man ko di ko magkubi ba. Uy, isa na lang jud kulang. Oh, para ma-50 akong tamsak. Uy, langga, it's me, Mary Magdalene. Salamat. Ayan guys, salamat sa patambay sa 7 million in the house. Si man yan. Thank you so much. Please write a comment. Okay, English, hindi ko si Filipino rani. Uy, mga palalabs. Sa nagtambay dyan, mag-comment na kayo kasi magbabay na ako. Humana, uy, 0 minutes na jud. Uy, humana na ko. 30 seconds na lang. By the 6 million in the house. Silanggang Mary present. Who else? Kuya William siguro, no? Kaysa pa man na din. Kuya William, nandyan ka pa, Kuya William. Mag-end na ako. Maraming salamat sa mga presensya nyo. Salamat ng marami. Bye. 2 seconds na. Hoy, lang ka. Salamat ka diya, ha? Salamat. Bye. Good night. God bless. Salamat sa imong pag-stay dyan. Dali nga, baya ko yung tawag in English nga. Baliktad, wa diri, wa dito. Ug salamat sa imong kuan din, ha. Salamat po. Agoy, salamat sa imong flowers diha. Kisa mo man ang naadira, oy. Please mag-comment kayo guys, para malaman ko. Sorry, I have lost the channel. Oy, why? What happened? Dragon, bugahi. Dragon, bugahi sana si host. Ay, mabuang ko bayot na na si Andre. Good morning! Ayan, Andreas. What do you mean? Why did you lost your channel? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Is there something happen on your channel? Saan ko man ipagkuman ani ron. Uy, langgang Mary katog na diha langga. Salamat kayo, ha. Ayan, asa man na ay kusig bugahi na dragon oy, maloy maawa in town ka. Grabe na ba in town akong kanus uli ring dapita. Balik na ta ani. Dugay pa siya mag-comment, oh. I am here to talking. Ayan, thank you so much for staying. Ayan, thank you so much for coming. But you know, my friend Andreas, I got 2 hours for my LS. So I have to end my live stream. But it's sad, you know, it's sad to hear that my friend. Bay na pa, tulog na ko, lablab. Lablab kay diha, madam, ha, Mary. Dagan kayong salamat, ha. Na-enjoy po ba yung taong ko? Unta ka, na-enjoy po ka. Hindi mo pa kung ba translate ka kamoy hawd ng English. Diyos me yung marima, tong akong English in town, na itong pas daplin. Pagpaluding-loading po kadayon sa imong utok. Bisag hawd kay ka, kuan kay ka English. Ayan, Andreas. Ayan, thank you for coming. I hope you can join me again tomorrow. Tomorrow 11 a.m. Around 11 a.m. Pinas time. But at this time I need to end my live stream because I already got my 2 hours. Alive in Australia. What is the life in Australia? You want me to talk on you? I mean, you want me to, you know? Paano ba ito guys? Parang gusto niya makausap. No, sorry. I just medyo marima. I didn't go just medyo. Others said, yeah, okay. Sorry. I thought it's you written there Australia. Oh my God, I'm mistaken. Oh my God. Sorry. Austria, Europe. Ay, kasi katawa di Madam Mary, ha? Nandyan ka pala. Ay, nako. No problem. No problem. Andreas, are you a girl? Because if you're a girl, I wanted to call you sis. And if you're a boy, I wanted to call you um bro. South from Germany. Austria, Europe. No, a boy. Agoy na abot na po lang kami. Bom dia, Tudos! William Luciano Retro, mega love shout out to you. Nabuang naman ko ani, eh. Bom dia a todos to you, my friend. Bom dia a todos. Bom dia, bien. Ayan, bom dia, William. No, a boy. Oh, really? But your name, Andreas, it's like, sounds like, girl name. You know what I mean? Amen. Amen. What do you mean by amen? Bom dia, William. Andrea is girl. Yeah. Your name look like sounds like girl. Andreas. Okay, Andreas. Okay, I got it. So Andreas, man. Okay. July. July, hi. Hello to you, July. Ayan. Present. Ayan. Muito obrigado, amigo William. It gives many form. Yeah. Yeah. You're right, my dear Andreas. Andreas. Pretalia. By the way, how did you find my live? I mean, how did you find my stream? In Spain, Andre. Oh. Ayan. Yeah, Asi. Sa ni pag-end ako, oy. Oy. Same boy name. Yeah. Here also, Andre name, it's boy name. Yes, I am here. Ayan, July, can you please drop your link again? Because I'm gonna give you one banana. If you have a YouTube channel, you can now drop your link. So I will connect it on you. I will give you I will give you one banana. Ayan, muito obrigado, amigo William. William is from Brazil, guys. That's why I'm speaking like Portuguese. Just a little word. Ori Andres. Ori Andres. Okay. But okay. Ayan, July, where are you from? Are you a Filipino? Ayan, muito obrigado, amigo William. Ayan, bura ko, bura. Vamos ko, vamos, William. Yes, I have. Oh. In 1 hour, I must go to work. Okay, my friend Andreas. I stand up for 30 minutes. Ayan, thank you for time. Yeah, and thank you for coming again to my live stream. The chicken are cool. Yeah. We have a lot of chicken here. Baking. Baking, hello to all. Mayan, salamat sa pagbaking-baking mo diha langga, ha? Langga Maricar Sisi, thank you so much for coming. I mean for coming back again. But you know, I'm already got the 2 hours on my stream, so hoy, Madam Dadali, maraming salamat diha, Madam Dadali, ha? This is my small house. Thank you. Okay, I will go to your house. A farm, I think. Yeah, my place is look like province. So oh my gosh, wait, Uy, nandoon pala ako kay Mayang.
Pagbasa ko, diba? Makikibasa.
Wait a minute. You will always be. Ayan, Sir Vel. Shout out.
Hi, Tito Bell.
It
I
was
love you
funny
too.
here. Okay. Ayan, Andreas. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my live stream. Ayan, wait a minute, my friend July. I will go to your house.
Ako, pagpalo na may ako sunod.
Naapo ka, Juan. Wait a minute, guys, ha. Ayan. Sir Veli Jackson Vlogs. Shout out to you. Okay, thank you. No problem. Ayan. July, it's your first day to come in. Ayan. Don't forget to write a comment on my other video. So later, after my stream, I will give you banana. Ayan, July, where are you from? Can I know, or just let me know where are you from? Kom Tong Sing Rabak Matsan Kanchin Song. Oh, are you from India? Noted. Have a nice day. I am from Malaysia. Oh, I see. Okay, I give you one. I already give you one banana. Ayan, don't forget to write a comment in the Carabao. Did you know the Carabao? I have a video, a Carabao, the farmer using the Carabao. You can you can comment there, so later I will give you one banana. Okay, thank you.
Yan, kuya.
Wait guys, paano man ako mag-end ako dito eh? Okay, I must go. See you later. Give you a like. Ayan, Andreas, thank you so much for staying. And have a good day to you. Keep safe always. And see you tomorrow again. Have a good day. God bless. And bye-bye. Note, ayan. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day to you also, my friend Andreas. I'm from Malaysia. Okay, noted. Guys, 9 million in the house. Kung sino man kayo dyan, guys, I have to end my live stream. Thank you so much for your time. Kinsa pa ba yung naka-LSB? Wait lang ha. Just wait a minute. I'm gonna try to search some friends who doing LS so we can go there. Kinsa ba? Pumili chuwa daw. Ay, wala. Kinsa pa man eh? Guys, if you want, ayan, 9 million in the house. Hello, kinsa man itaw ni guys, oy. Guys, I have a friend of mine who's doing a live stream at this time. I will drop the link so we can go there. And ayan, July and Despacita. I will drop the link. One of my friends, Daniela. Ayan, I will end my live stream, but I have a friend of mine who's doing a live stream at this time. I will drop the link so we can go there. Okay? Ayan. I dropped the link of my friend Kwang Hei who's doing the live stream. just write the comment or from you're from here, from VIENE Marie channel. Ayan. Okay, okay, thank you so much, July. See you tomorrow again. Because I'm doing and I will end my live stream. Ayan, Vladimir, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, my friend William. Ayan, my friend William, I dropped the link of Kwang Hinako TV. You can go there if you want. Just see you there. Ayan. Guys, punta na. Ayan, sis Despacita. Sino ba yung nakaano dyan, oy? Mag-comment naman kayo dyan, guys. Para alam ko rin. Servel, andyan ka pa, Servel? Salamat sa mga oras nyo dyan. Salamat sa lahat ng nakatambay. Uy, oh my God. Parang hindi man sila umimik, oy. Oh. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for the time. Uy, 9 million in the house. Alis. Uy. Nanimal man ka dong, uy. Lagutag, hindi mo dong, uy. Naaday ka diha dong. Kagwang ni mo dong, uy. Delete ko na ni B. Salamat kayo, uy. Napaba pa kong balay ni babos, animal. Akong baba na yun. Ginoo ko na yung bangs. Salamat kaya dong. Anong karong kumita ko na comment dong, uy? Babes dong. Salamat kayo sa imong time dong. Ayan, maraming salamat dyan mga palangga. Have a good day. Unsa man ka din na? Oh, babay na ka dong lumboy, be. Babay dong lumboy. Pagdali na, kay mag-end na ko.
Oh. Napakagipangita.
Wala na, unsa naman ni siya, uy. Bye, Inday. Bye daw, Inday.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tito Lumboy.
Bye-bye, Tito Lumboy.
Baka nandyan pa si Tito Bel. Magbabay ka rin.
Bye-bye, Tito Bel.
Bye to all.
Mati.
Ayan, salamat sa mga kinabuhi niyo diha. Have a good day. Hawa na ba kayo mag-end ako? Nausa naman na siya, oy.
Sayang na natin. Sige, hakatis. Ang mga mura pagi.
Hoy, di ka magbabay. Hoy, naadi ka diha.
Di.
Madam Mary Neil, thank you so much, babus. Ayan.
Soy, ang mga
Ayan, baka gusto niyo pumunta sa TV. Nagka-live siya.
pagi.
Hoy, wala ginag-live si Juan Langgang Crystal. Hawa na mag-end ako. Sige naman ako kag-save sayo diha, uy.
Ako ipangita ba?
Sige na, ipangita, uy. Diyos may marimar. Tulog na ko. Ha, ha, ha.
Sayang na.
Atog na din ha, uy. Salamat kasi imong time ninyo diha, ha.
Ang mga mura pagi. Ang mga
Ay, Diyos may marimar. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips.
Ay, pala mamember. Baho laglubot sila mi.
Wala dyan siya ng ano. Nag-live. I-end na anak. Nalukop naman ka diha panuplok. Uy.
That not me. Don't be scared. Happy. That party.
Say party. I-end na. Bye! Hoy, sis. See you next time. Ayan, my friend July. See you tomorrow again. 11 p.m. Pinas time. Madam
Bye-bye.
Jajali, maraming salamat. Hi, cute girl. Ayun, dyan para si Kuya William. Oh, babay na kang pag-hi kay Kuya William, be. Hello, Kuya William.
Hi, Kuya William.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
God bless.
God bless.
And good day.
Good day.
Salamat sa time mo, Kuya William. Kay ano din. Wait. Bye. Ayan, July, maraming salamat. Ay, thank you so much. Wa na. Walay sa pa yan, ha? Guys, si Kuya William, maghilig talaga mag-practice ng Bisaya. More Bisaya at Kuya William, ha? Nausa naman na yun, no? Naingon naman tanig abak. Ayan. E-end ko na. Thank you so much sa time.
Bye-bye.
I-end dito kato ka ng ex.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Kami.
End.